I'm going to tell you about MIL top coats. All our MIL top coats are packed in this box. And there's a purpose of packing in a box rather than giving you people loose paint, because this box is designed as per the ratios for the top coats. So the paint, the hardener and the thinner is as per the ratio. So there's no way one can say that he has fallen short of the hardener or the thinner. And plus the box outside you can see has written all the MSDS and the application literature with the product code as per what you require in mill standard. I'm going to show you once we unbox this paint box what all you have in the paint box. I'll call my technician. So as you can see, once we open the box, you have 4 liters of paint, corresponding hardener with type 1 thinner. And then now the most important thing what you see is we have given you a beaker for mixing, safety goggles, mask, paint stainers. Now these are high quality paint stainers to filter up to 45 microns, gloves and an anti-static suit so that painters can wear it so that there is no dust while painting. So as you see, we have 4 liters of the base paint, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now as per the ratio, this 4 liters of paint requires 2 liters of hardener. So you have 2 liters of hardener so that you don't mess with the ratios. Now for this 6 liters of total base and hardener, part A and part B, you require almost about 2 liters of type 1. Now we give little extra so that you can clean your spray gun, you can wipe the surface before painting. Now apart from all this paint, what extras you have in this box is, we give you a beaker. Now if you see, the beaker have markings on it. Normally what painter does, they do mistakes in mixing. And if there's a mistake in mixing, you end up with maybe paint not drying or cracking of the paint. So there's a beaker to mix the paint. There are high quality paint stainers, which is written 200 high quality. That means it has capability of filtering 45 micron of contamination in the paint if at all it is. You have the safety goggles. We have taken care of the safety of the painters so that they don't feel any problem. You can wear and you can use it. The mask inside it, pair of gloves, a nitrile chemical resistant glove, and most importantly the suit, which my technical person is wearing. I'll just show you. This is a suit what comes along with the kit, so that it's an anti-static suit so that there is no dust anywhere inside the paint shop. So that's all you will get in this paint box, and the box has all the material safety sheet, application guide, product code and the range of products that are available. It makes it very easy for anybody to use this paint.